Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming Vital is installed and authorized because the plugin must be active to load presets. Once the DAW is set, insert Vital on a MIDI track so you hear changes in real time. Next, open Vital's preset menu or browser icon. This is where presets live. As you do this, scan folders quickly so you see categories and banks. Make sure the plugin GUI is focused. Then proceed to the chosen preset bank to pick the first file to load. Once the browser is visible, use filters and tags to narrow options, because that prevents endless scrolling and targets sounds you need. You can preview presets by sending MIDI or using Vital's audition/play button. Listen for timbre, movement, and range. After auditioning, load the preset into the active slot. Vital replaces voices immediately. Make sure to check global parameters like master tuning, polyphony, and unison so the loaded preset behaves as expected in your mix. To finish, tweak the preset to taste and then save it into your user bank or create a snapshot. This preserves changes and speeds future recall. Once saved, map CCs or macros for live control so you can automate expression and performance. If the preset produces no sound, first check MIDI routing, channel, and that Vital's audio output is assigned to your DAW master. If issues persist, reload the plugin or rescan presets. This usually resolves missing files or authorization hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.